Hi everyone, this is Brandon with Recast Software, and today we're going to kick off a video series around setting up Endpoint Insights. So this first video is just going to be a brief overview of the components, a little bit about them, and in the rest of the videos we'll go through the setup and installation process of each component. So for installing Endpoint Insights, it needs to be on your Configuration Manager server. You need to have SQL Server reporting services and or Power BI report server set up. Reporting services point must be enabled and configured in your config manager environments. Recast management server and recast proxy are both required to collect warranty information. And after you complete the setup of Endpoint Insights, you'll also need to deploy agents to devices in order to collect all of the non-warranty related information. So let's talk a little bit more about collecting warranty information. Again, this requires the recast management server. You need to allow traffic to and from warranty.recastsoftware.com. This just allows the proxy and the management server to communicate with our API and get that warranty information back to you from the vendors. For the proxy account, you need a service account that has read-only analyst and configuration manager, as well as data reader access to your configuration manager SQL database server. If your recast management server is installed on a server other than your configuration manager SQL database, the proxy account will need to be added to the SMS underscore site system to site server connection underscore MP underscore your site code local group on that server. This will allow to read write to your inboxes, auth, DDM box, which is required to gather warranty data. And a little bit more about the agents in regards to Endpoint Insights. Essentially what they are is a client that sits on the device, and for Endpoint Insights they expand the classes that are normally picked up during a hardware inventory cycle to give you much richer reporting. So things like monitors, docking stations, software, etc. If the agents aren't deployed, you won't be able to pick up any of these classes that are required for the Endpoint Insights reports. And that's about it for the brief overview of Endpoint Insights. We'll dive in a little deeper in the following videos for each component. If you have any questions in the meantime, feel free to reach out to us directly at recastsoftware.com. Thank you so much. Take care.